bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those babies right to bed.
Ay, love po si Daddy. Ha? Love? Dapat love po din si Mami, ha? Love si Mami, ha? Okay? Okay po? Ha? Love po din si Mami, ha? Okay? Say it. I love you, Mami. Love you, Mami. Love you, Mami. Hi, Mami. I love you. Pawis na naman yung bebo ko. Pawisin talaga siya.
Scrub, making bubble, that's how you wash your hands. It's lunchtime. Did you wash your hands?
I will do it right now, Bob.
Perfect! Before every meal and before
Huwag mo rin yung ilong mo, ah.
to wash your hands.
Ang dudugo yan, ah. No. Ano nga, ah.
To wash your hands.
Antok ikaw? Antok pa? Ha? Nagising ka kasi ng maaga, eh.
That's how you wash your hands.
Kasi pagda dito tulog mo, ikaw kasi wala na kasi yung egg, eh. Wala na. Yung ano na lang. Egg na lang ng hen. You want?
Oh, yes,
Ha?
Bob.
You want egg? Egg lang po. Egg ng hen. Yung big. You want? Ha? I want. Oh. Huwag mo tabahan si ano.